a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.